Hey everybody, it's Brett, and today I'm going to pour that liquid latex into these molds and hopefully it will work. I've never done this before, so let's see. The first thing I need to do though before I do that is I need to seal all the way around the edges and let that dry for a few minutes. So I'm just going to take the liquid latex and go all the way around the edges. Would you like some music while I do this? The dream police, they're coming to arrest me. The dream police, they live inside of my head. The dream police, police, police. The dream police, police, police. That's it, that's all I've got for you. Okay, so I just want to create a glump around the sides there, just to make sure it's not leaking all over the place when I pour a big bunch in there. That would not be cool. You know what I mean, baby? Oops, sorry. Okay, let's do the other one. So I affixed these flat to the table. Probably need to clamp that down there too. And it's not going to be perfect, but I'm trying to do this as good as I can the first time because it's a lot of work, you know? You know what I'm talking about. I like a lot of African American-ish sayings, phrases, you know? And I can even talk like it a little bit, like jive talking. You know what I'm talking about? I mean, it's cool to be different, and it's cool to be artistic in the way you talk. And it's really lame to be like how your English teacher wanted you to talk. I take like little phrases and keep them if I like them and use them. If I don't like them, I don't use them. There's certain ones that I hate. Should I become a member of the Burger King Club? There's perks. So hopefully 32 ounces is going to do the job on this. They always put some cute girl on the front of these. Sexy looking thing. So I imagine, I'm just guessing, I don't know, but I'm saying probably like that. Depends on how much I put in there, you know. We'll see. Okay, it's dried enough, and I am impatient, so let's go for it. Let's just see if there's any leakage so far. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so far so good. Good. If I had done that before without sealing it, it would have leaked all over the place. Bet you. Okay, how about this one? See right there? That was from before. Okay. It's just a thread sticking out. So the paper is 1 inch tall. Look at that. I'm down to a little more than half so far. How much rubber do I want on the bottom of my shoes? More. Wow, that's a lot of rubber. So I've used about what I thought I was going to use, which is 75% of this 32 ounces. 24 ounces. So there's 4 of these in a gallon. 1 gallon costs $80. You save a little bit, plus the shipping. You save a little bit when you buy a gallon. So I imagine it's going to cost $100 for a gallon. And thus far, it's looking like I would get about five of these soles out of a gallon. Therefore, it will cost $20 worth of latex to make a pair of these soles. That is why natural things cost more, because the materials are not cheap. I mean, they're not stupid when they're making 100,000 pairs of shoes and they're thinking to themselves, you know, how can we do this as cheap as we can do it? This is not an option. I'll bet you anything it's going to be the best pair of shoes that I've ever worn, but it's also going to be a time-consuming and expensive pair of shoes. Okay, I poured more in there because there's no sense in not having the soles thick enough, and I know that when they dry, most of the water, when the water evaporates out of all of that 3/4, that's roughly 5/8 thick. That's going to leave the soles maybe 3/8 thick, but more like maybe 1/4. So I might want to just pour the rest in there. I really didn't want to have to use the whole thing, but I might as well just do it. These are incidentally about size 10, my feet. 16 ounces of latex per sole. And that's about 3/4 of an inch filled. Maybe not quite that. But I think that should make a pretty good sole. It's got a couple of little... I don't want to poke it with that. There's a couple of little bubbles. No bubbles, please. Just a couple of little things. Now, some of you may be wondering, how can I get tread on these? I don't know yet. That out of there. If you look carefully, you'll notice that those are painted on. And I hate to throw her away. We won't do that, we'll recycle her. Okay. So thanks for joining me, everybody. I just hope that I don't disturb these while they're sitting there, at least for a couple of days. One whack and latex is all over the place. But thanks for joining me, and look for these as a product in the future. Bye. A few days ago, I ordered dowels for making shindigs. And today I got a call from the company telling me that the price of the dowels had gone up from $6 and something cents a piece to $11 and something cents a piece. And that if I still wanted the order, I needed to call them, obviously, to pay them more. And so I got online and I looked, and within 5 minutes I found the dowels for $5 and something cents a piece with free shipping if I bought $75 worth. So I got more dowels for less money and free shipping. And so I called them back and I let them know exactly what I'd found online, just to kind of rub it in their faces a little bit. But I didn't say it aggressively or anything. I just told her exactly what I got, just to let her know that maybe she shouldn't be raising her prices. But yeah, you're going to get some good shindigs and I'm going to get a good price.